Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a PS4 controller overlay on OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gamepadviewer.com. Before we move forward, here's an important step you need to take care of first. Make sure your PS4 controller is connected to your computer, either via Bluetooth or using a USB cable. This connection needs to be established before the website can detect your controller. Once you're on the Gamepad Viewer website, take a look at the bottom of the page. You'll see a message that says something like there are currently no gamepads connected, press any button to enable. This message appears because the website is waiting to detect your controller input. Go ahead and press any button on your PS4 controller. This action will activate the connection and allow the website to recognize your controller. Next, locate the button that says None at the top of the page and click on it. From the options that appear, select Player 1. This tells the website which controller configuration you want to display. Now, in the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines representing the menu icon. Click on it to open the sidebar menu. In the left sidebar that appears, click on Generate URL. This feature is what allows you to create a custom link specifically for your PS4 controller overlay. Look for the option labeled Skin and click the drop-down menu right beside it. From the list that appears, select PS4 controller. This ensures that the overlay will display the correct controller design matching your actual PS4 controller. At the top of the page, you'll see a URL link. Click on it and it will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. This URL is what we'll use to bring the overlay into OBS. Now open your OBS application on your desktop. In the bottom left section of the screen, navigate to the Sources panel. Click the plus icon and from the menu that appears, select Browser. This creates a new browser source that can display web content directly in your OBS scene. A dialog box will appear asking you to name this source. You can rename it whatever you want. For example, type PS4 controller, then click OK. In the Properties window that opens, navigate to the URL field. Right beside it, delete the existing URL link that's there by default. Then paste the URL link you copied earlier from the Gamepad Viewer website and click OK. The overlay will now appear in your OBS scene, but you'll notice it shows as disconnected or appears as a red image. This is normal because the controller needs to be actively sending inputs. To enable or connect the overlay, press any button on your PS4 controller. This will trigger the connection and the overlay will change to show your controller is active. If needed, you can resize the controller overlay by clicking on it in your OBS scene and dragging the corners to adjust the size to your preference. Finally, press any button on your PS4 controller to test if the overlay is working properly. You should see the buttons light up on the overlay as you press them, confirming everything is set up correctly. And that's it, you've successfully set up a PS4 controller overlay on OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.